everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Chanel 21A unboxing to share with you. This, I didn't think I was going to get any other bags from 21A, other than the rose gold mini that I unboxed the other day, but when I saw this bag, I really liked it, but I figured I was way too late. This is one that I think sold out right away. But one SA that I work with worked her magic and was able to get me one, so I'm really excited. Anyway, let me get right into it. Here is the receipt. This is a true unboxing. This just arrived today, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So here is the dust bag. That's a bit strange that there wasn't tissue kind of covering the dust bag like usual, but that's okay. Doesn't really matter. Here's the care booklet. All right. Any guesses to reveal? Here is, all right, it's all packed nicely with felt, but here is my 21A Coco handle. This is the, I guess it's the mini size, or I guess some people are calling it the small now that there's the extra mini, but it's the second smallest size. There's the extra mini and then there's this one. And it is in the 21A light pink with like gold hardware, caviar leather. Okay, let's get all this felt off. Oh my gosh, the color is really pretty. So this is one of those colors that it's really hard to photograph. So in pictures and even on camera here, it kind of looks beige, but it is a true light pink. And I love that this season it has the edge stitching, and it is completely leather lined now. I believe in 21P they started doing leather lining in the Coco handles. For the last few years it had been fabric lining, and this has the metal plate instead of the authenticity card. Yeah, so it's all leather lined, and I'm just curious where this one is made. It is made in Italy. This is my first Coco handle that has leather lining, so that's exciting. And yeah, it's a really pretty light pink. Just a very kind of neutral pink. That's the back. And here are the feet. The strap is all wrapped up in tissue, but since this is just an unboxing, I'll just unwrap that later. I just wanted to share that I feel really lucky to have found this color, because I know it was a difficult one to get. And yeah, it's coming up a little more light and beige than it is in person. It is a true pink. It's not beige. I wonder if maybe I could show it next to, let me grab my 21S light pink mini. So this one is quite different. The 21S pink had a little bit of a lilac undertone, as you can see, whereas this one is more similar to, I think it's the 21C pink, if I'm not mistaken, that came in the classic flaps. So it's, I think, quite similar to that. Yeah, it's really pretty. And the caviar feels really sturdy. Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm so happy with this. All right, I'm gonna keep this really short. I just wanted to share that with you. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.